Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a flooded golf cart. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery cables right away to prevent any electrical shorts or further damage. Next, carefully assess the water level to understand how deeply your cart was submerged. Look closely for any obvious damage to the electrical system, including wires and connections. Always wear gloves and eye protection during this initial inspection. Once the initial assessment is complete, it's time to start draining. Remove all standing water from the engine area and battery compartment. You can use absorbent towels or a wet/dry vacuum for this. It's crucial to let everything air dry thoroughly for at least 24 hours. For faster drying, consider placing a fan nearby or using a dehumidifier to remove moisture from the air. Now, let's focus on individual components. Clean your battery terminals and connections thoroughly with a wire brush to remove any corrosion. Carefully inspect the motor, controller, and solenoid for any signs of water damage or moisture. If you find any corroded fuses or relays, replace them immediately. Don't forget to lubricate moving parts, such as the steering and suspension, to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Finally, it's time to reconnect the battery and test your golf cart. Turn the key and listen carefully for any unusual sounds. Check that all electrical functions, like lights and horn, are working correctly. Take it for a short test drive, paying close attention to the brakes, steering, and acceleration. Monitor the cart closely over the next few uses to ensure everything is functioning as it should.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.